Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to MTSB channel tutorial learning. Today we will study about handling data. The first tutorial. Chen rolls a dice and records the score each time. The results are shown in the table. Calculate his mean, median, and mode score. Answer. Mean is the total of all the values divided by the number of values. So we can write mean is 1 times 9 plus 2 times 14 plus 3 times 2 plus 4 times 12 plus 5 times 8 plus 6 times 5. And divided by the total all of frequency or 9 plus 14 plus 2 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5. So the answer of the mean is 3.2. Next, median is the middle number in a set of given numbers. Median class is 9 plus 14 plus 2 plus 12 plus 8 plus 5 divided by 2. So for the question, the median class is 25. It means that the 25th data is a median class. The 25th data is 3. Median class for the data is 3. Mode is the value that appears most frequently in a data set. Look at the table. 2 is the most appears frequently in a data set. So, based on the data, the mode is 2. The second tutorial. Lily owns a restaurant. She changes the menu. She records the number of customers using the restaurant for 15 days after the menu is changed. Here results are shown in the stem and leaf diagram. A. Write down the number of days when she recorded fewer than 30 customers. B. Write down the median number of customers. C. Work out the range. Answer. A. The number of days when Lily recorded fewer than 30 customers are 4 days. Look at the picture. Here are the fewer than 30 customers. Or we can write like this: 26, 28, 28, and 29. So there are 4 days that fewer than 30 customers. B. The median score is 35. Before you find the median, write the data first, then find the middle value. So let's write the all of data. Okay. There are 15 data. So the middle value is 35. See, the range is the difference between the lowest and highest values. Based on the data, we know that the lowest value is 26 and then the highest value is 53. So the range is 27. Communicative. Twenty people take a quiz. Here are their marks. Match the question in the left to the answer in the right side. Second, a museum opens 3 days each week on a Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday. Hassam records the number of visitors on each day over a period of 20 weeks. He calculates the means and the range for each of 3 days. Write down the day of the week that gets the most visitors. Give a reason for your answer. 3. The scatter graph shows the value thousands of dollars and the age years of 8 cars. A. Plot the information for the named car on the grid. B. Find the median age of the named cars. C. Describe the relationship between the value of a car and its age. Fourth question. Some students take a test. Their marks are shown in the frequency diagram. A. Write down the range of marks. B. Find the total numbers of students who took the test. C. Find the median mark. Collaborative. This graph shows the number of drinks that are sold in 1 week. A. Work out how many more drinks of lemonade than water are sold. B. Write down the model drink. Second, the students in class 9L have a test. The table shows some information about their marks. There are 28 students in the class. The model class interval is 20 until 29. The lowest mark is 7 marks. Complete the frequency column. 3. Hassan investigates the amount of fruit that people eat. The bar line charts show the number of portions of fruit that 30 adults and 30 children ate on Monday. Who ate more fruit on Monday? Give a reason to explain your answer. 4th question. Yuri rolls a 6-sided dice 200 times. Lily rolls the same dice 250 times. The table shows their relative frequencies for a score of 6. Work out how many 6 they rolled altogether. Critical thinking. 1. 2 classes take the same geography test. The mean and range for each class are shown in the table. Pierre says, this data show that 7P did better in the geography test than 70. Explain why Pierre is wrong. 2. Some students take a test. Their marks are shown in a frequency diagram. A. Write down the range of marks. B. Find the total number of students who took the test. C. Find the median mark. 3. The line plots show the number of books read by the students in Mr. Murray's class and Mrs. Jane's class. Which statement best compares the median number of books read by the students in each class? A. The median number of books read by Mr. Murray's class is 3 more than the median number of books read by Miss Jane's class. B. The median number of books read by Miss Jane's class is 3 more than the median number of books read by Mr. Murray's class. C. The median number of books read by Mr. Murray's class is 5 more than the median number of books read by Miss Jane's class. D. The median number of books read by Miss Jane's class is 5 more than the median number of books read by Mr. Murray's class. Fourth question. Aiko records the time in seconds that it takes for the children in her class to swim the length of the pool in January. A. Work out the median time. B. Work out the range of the times. C. Aiko records the time it takes the same children to swim a length of the pool in June. She works out that the median time in June is 25 seconds. The range of the times in June is 55 seconds. Aiko says the times vary less in June than in January. Is it correct? Give a reason for your answer. Creative thinking. The first question. The table shows the mean and range of the number of customers at a restaurant on Monday and Thursday. The restaurant manager says the number of customers on Monday is less variable than on Thursday. Explain why the manager is correct. Second question. The table shows the midday temperature in degrees Celsius for 1 week. A. The temperature on Sunday was 3 degrees Celsius cooler than on Saturday. Complete the table. B. Write down the difference between the temperatures on Monday and Wednesday. C. At midday on Friday, the temperature was negative 2 degrees Celsius. Later on, the temperature was 3 degrees Celsius. Find the increase in the temperature. Third question. The median and range for the number of customers using the restaurant each day before the menu was changed are shown. Lily thinks that more customers are using the restaurant after the menu was changed. Tick a box to show if Lily is correct. Explain your answer. Fourth question. The table shows the number of men, women, and children watching a film at a cinema. A. Work out the percentage of the people that are women. B. Write the ratio of men to children in its simplest form. Fifth question. 9 students take a history exam and geography exam. Their marks out of 100 are history, geography, A. Complete the back-to-back stem and leaf diagram. Use the shapes of the distribution to compare the marks for history and geography. Sixth question. A set of data has fewer than 6 values. The median of the set of data is 5, but none of the values is 5. Write down a set of possible values for this data. The table shows data about the life of 2 types of battery. Use the median and the range to compare the 2 types of battery. Seventh question. A dentist is investigating this question. Do people who use an electric toothbrush have healthier teeth than those who use a normal toothbrush? She examines each patient's teeth and gives the teeth a score. Patients with lower scores have healthier teeth. Her results are shown in the diagram. Work out an appropriate average for both groups. Name of average use. Average score for patients who use a normal toothbrush. Average score for patients who use an electric toothbrush. And write a conclusion to the dentist's question using this information. A question. There are 280 students in year 10. Half of students are boys. 155 of the students get a grade of A, B, or C in their mathematics test. 61 girls get a grade of D, E, or F. A. Complete the table. B. A student is chosen at random for year 10. Write down the probability that the student is a girl with a grade G, E, or F. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.